Good day, welcome to Edoche Analytics Media, and I'll show us in this video how to run a basic regression analysis using Eviews. Basically, I'll show us two methods to do such. So let's get in the way. First thing is always first. You get your Eviews running, and to do that, you double click your Eviews shortcut application. So this will be the first interface you get. You just they'll give you options to create a new Eviews work file, open an existing Eviews work file, or open a foreign file. These are my recent files, so you know. So I'll just open a foreign Eviews file, usually Excel. That's the format we usually make use of in Nigeria. So I'll double click. I have a file, I have data in my desktop, so I have one here. And let's use this but the data I use a certain time. You can just next, or you finish once, just know. Okay, here comes our variables. Let's start up with the easiest or the two methods. The first method, you highlight your variables, starting with your dependent variable. There's no need highlighting your intercept. The Eviews was programmed. If you use this first method, Eviews will automatically impute your intercept for you and give you the result. So let's go ahead with that. Start with our dependent variable, GDP. Let's make the GDP our dependent variable. This GDP here will make a economy as economic cost, administrative cost, then state cost, our explanatory variables, meaning we'll be having three explanatory variables. So go ahead, you hold your control key first, you right click, you left click here, you highlight that, you highlight let's go with this, let's go with this, let's go with this. Note that the order in which you highlight that will be the order of your output. So now you right click, you open as equation. They have different methods. You can open as a var system and all that, or scope. So if you want to do discrete statistics, but note when you want to run a regression analysis, you open as equation. So here comes the editor. So you may decide to impute maybe other variables depending on the analysis you're running, or you remove anyone if you don't like. You come to the methods. They have different methods. They don't have they have more than one method of running regression analysis. So you see they have different methods. We have to regressive distributed lag modules also. But we're making use of the ordinary least squares, which is the least squares. Here's a sample from 1981 to 2021. So you can either enter or you just okay it's here. So here comes our result. These are variables. Remember, these are dependent variables. For the economy, it's negative, state is negative, and both are insignificant, excluding the administrative cost, which is significant and positive. Here's our intercept if you care to interpret. Go ahead. Here's our R squared, 80% adjusted, 78, and other criteria depending on how relevant they are to your study. So we'll quickly go to the other method. Let's just delete this equation so you get it clearly. I delete this equation. So to estimate that, see, I removed the highlighted variables earlier. So to estimate that, we'll come to this place, quick estimate equation quickly. So you just type it in. I'm starting with our GDP. So type GDP, you space. Note in the other one, Eviews automatically imputed our intercept. But when you are estimating, when you are directly typing it in, you have to impute your constant intercept. So you can put it immediately after your GDP, your independent variable, or you can put it anywhere or at the ending. I usually prefer putting it immediately after my dependent variable. So I'll just put it here. I'll space. Then you have you can any order. Let's just change the order. Let's still go with economy first. Con C space. we go with let's go with should we go with state now? We went to state the first time, Abby. Let's go with state. Let's go with state. Yeah, let's go with state. SC. That's it. Yeah, with space. Then we'll go with admin. Admin. You can still just type if, and especially if the name of the variables are long. If you don't want to type everything, you just go like that. Then you enter or you click OK. So let me enter this time around. Here comes my result. Wonderful. So as you can see, same result we had earlier with the arrow squared, with the coefficients of our variables and every other thing. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more data analysis, specifically the academic ones. So in subsequent videos you get videos on running co-integration, unit root testing, that's stationarity, and many others, the VAR, the VECM and all that. Thank you very much. God bless.